Hi, Heather O'Connor with O'Connor Family Law. And I just happened to read an article that Kim Kardashian is now legally single. So I wanted to jump on real quick and explain how that correlates to laws in Massachusetts and what I believe that means in California. And I'm not licensed in California. I am only licensed in the state of Massachusetts and Rhode Island. So I don't know the laws in California, but understanding divorce and family law, I can kind of put two and two together and understand how it would likely work here. So what seems to have happened is that Kim Kardashian and Kanye's divorce was what is referred to as bifurcated, which means it was split up. Think of chopping up the baby. We're dealing with a piece of it and we'll deal with a piece of it later. So right now what they did is approved their divorce, which is why you see on the news that Kim K is now legally single and able to use her own name. So officially they're divorced. It's done. What still needs to happen is the property distribution and the custody part of the case, which the bifurcation allows that part to move forward, even though they're now legally separated, although the divorce is a little bit more than just a separation. So that's what a bifurcation is. It's not something that's easily given out. You can't always just bifurcate your divorce and say, I want to be divorced and we'll deal with everything else later. There has to be good reasons, and her reason was that she was continuously being harassed. Of course, Kanye has objected to that. I don't know enough about it to say one way or another, but those are the two arguments. And the judge did do that today. So it's important to note that Kanye did seem to he had made 3 requests on things to be preserved moving forward with the bifurcation for him to agree to the divorce. Because if he didn't agree to the divorce, the judge likely would not have granted the divorce at this point. The judge likely would have made them continue throughout the case. However, he did agree to it with 3 conditions. One was that he wanted to preserve the reimbursement rights if either one of them died for money that has already been paid to each other. Then he made 2 requests that the judge denied. And one was that he did not want her to transfer any assets that she held in trust. And the other was that if she were to remarry, because she's in another relationship, that she would have to waive her marital privilege so that Kanye could have her come in and testify to anything she might say to her new husband. Due to the sanctity of marriage and the protection that is involved with that, the judge denied that request as well. So congratulations to Kim Kardashian. You are divorced. You can move on. And just for anyone that's wondering, that's what the bifurcation issue is. So have a good day and happy divorce.